What's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneur moms with a digital presence. In today's video, which is part 12, the final part of my Branding Basics series, where I'm going to explain how, once you've got all of the other branding elements that I've taught you about in this series on lock, you can go and use it. You're going to learn how to use branding so that you can increase all of the conversions your business needs to stay healthy and profitable. So be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get real-world help that entrepreneur moms like you need to succeed when you're doing business online today. If you've missed any of the previous 11 videos in this series up to now, I'm telling you, visit the Branding Basics playlist and get into it, because I'm telling you, it's gonna help you be all the more effective at marketing once you come out on the other side of it. So, how to use branding best, you ask? After you've got all of these branding elements that I teach you about mastered, fleshed out, handled, what do you do with it all? You use it to engage in effective relationship marketing by way of your creating and publishing free content that's meant to be found in organic search by just the right people, so that they're so into what they found that they can be led by you into your marketing and sales funnel, where you can score some serious sales and your customers can score some serious results. When you've gone from some sort of two-dimensional kind of business that doesn't resonate with your target audience, no matter how much content you churn out and stick in front of them because your branding is off, meaning because your focus is on what you do and not who you do it for, and you flesh out that business instead into a three-dimensional brand that's got a brand promise to deliver the brand experience that your ideal customer is looking for, the exact way that they want to go in order to get out of pain and into pleasure, well, that is when you're more likely to see the three main business conversions occur, the macro conversions, if you will, that your business needs to succeed. Meaning, you're growing your audience or overall platform, you're growing your email list, and you're growing your list of actual customers. If you're not seeing any of that happen, at least persistently and consistently, then you haven't likely nailed down your branding to the point where you can engage in putting out the type of content marketing where what you publish resonates with your audience when they find it. They've got to be vibing with that content. And they'll do that once it's clear not just what you do, but who you do it for and what they're going to get once they're on the other side of purchasing and using your goods and services. Meaning, they get the happy ending or state change that they're currently seeking. You use branding to build rapport, to build a bridge between yourself and your niche, and you get them to cross over with branding that allows them to get to know, like, and trust you, your brand, and what it stands for, and what they're gonna get out of knowing, liking, and trusting you enough to give you the sale to get the outcome they want and or need. You can't just dump money into ads if you can't organically and naturally connect with your ideal customer and convert even a healthy little bit first that way. You've got no proof of concept. Something in your branding isn't right. You could be singing almost the song your ideal customer wants to hear you sing, but if you're singing the song out of tune, well, you never likely will get a second chance to make that first impression. Break the ice with them and start building rapport through your properly branded and nuanced relationship marketing, free content marketing efforts. And if that's the case, you could have the most awesome products and or services in the world to offer, but you're the functional equivalent of digitally invisible, burning money on ads that don't convert because you're getting absolutely zero proof of concept with your organic search-related free content marketing in the first place. You can churn out content to the point where you're digitally screaming right into a void, wasting your time, money, energy, and bandwidth. And you're a mama with kids to care for and a house to clean, so you do not have any time, money, energy, or bandwidth to waste, do you? But when used properly, branding can be used to build you the audience you need, from which you get the conversions you need to succeed. Now, if you're like, holy moly, I need help, then make sure you hit that notification bell, because there's a whole lot more where this comes from, mama. Over and above my Branding Basics series, I'm an entrepreneur mom just like you, who doesn't have some sort of ginormous team. I don't live in a mansion, and I don't have a stay-at-home husband to help me with the homeschooling, the housework, the chore running, and so on. I'm a real person living real life just like you are, and I can help you to nevertheless persist and succeed. And you know what? Before I forget, I've got something that might come in handy for you, especially if you're struggling with things like coming up with a free content marketing strategy that could get you more traffic and can close more sales in, say, 30 days or less. Interested? Click the link in the show notes below or go to funnelfairygodmother.com. That's funnelfairygodmother, all one word, .com. Why? Because I can show you how to attract customers to you and to your brand like magic. See you there. And be sure to check out these two awesome videos as well. I talk a lot about social media, content marketing, entrepreneurship for moms who have to juggle home and a business online, marketing as a whole. There's so many different topics. So make sure you're checking out these two videos next. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot when you do that. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.